Hi guys, real quick video tonight. This is a functions question number 3, and transformation of functions, which is something new to the syllabus this year, and I gave you a photocopy handout to help you with this. First of all, let's recognize what is happening to our function here. So this is the function. What has happened to it? Well, I hope you can see that it is being reflected across the y-axis here. Okay, so reflected across the y-axis down this way. Now, what happens when we're reflecting something across the y-axis? Well, in terms of fx, this is f to the minus x. Okay, so that is this equation here. Okay, if you're reflecting something across the let's say the x-axis, this bit here, let's say you reflect it this way, and you might have something that went like this and then like this, right? That would be minus f of x. Okay, so again, if you've forgotten this, I would review those chapters. It's really important. These were easy marks in this question. Okay, the second one, let's have a look at what we've got here. Okay, it looks to me that this is a stretch. We've got our original here, and you can see that everything, every point here is stretched on the y-axis. It's gone up on the y-axis, right? And this has gone from 2 to 4. This has gone from 1 to 2, and this has gone from 3 to 6. So this is a stretch along the y-axis, and it's factor 2. So when we're doing these, we would write f 2 fx, right? So that's a stretch on the y-axis. Let's look at our last one here. I hope you can see this is a translation. We've gone, so this is our function here, this one, and you can see that we've gone back 1, 2, 3, 4, so minus 4, and then we've gone down 1, 2, 3, so minus 3. How do we describe translations? Okay, well, with our function, we've gone down 3, so we go minus 3. This bit here is our y change. Now, to do our x change, we've got to put it in here, and it's a 4 is our x change, but we do the opposite sign of here to show our x change. Okay, so that this will give us it goes back 4. Okay, now you might be wondering why this is. Again, I suggest strongly you go back and look at the handout that I gave you, and perhaps play around with Desmos, because you can chuck in some numbers and it'll help you understand why this is what it is. But I think that the photocopy that I gave you is really helpful, and probably read that and do some of the questions again, and you'll be back on your way with these.